A compiler is a computer software that translates the code written in one of the human-readable languages into a low-level machine code understandable to electronic devices. MikroElektronika has developed 21 different compilers for 7 architectures. In our latest compiler release interview, we have announced that we will have a special feature for you. Today we are updating our PIC compilers, and among many features, I would like to present you a new one called Libstock Manager. Libstock is a community website developed by MikroElektronika, where users can upload their projects, but they can also download the libraries and clipboard examples developed by MikroElektronika. Normally, if you want to use clipboard examples, you would first go to our website, then you would visit the clipboard product page. You would go to Download section and then go to Libstock. On Libstock, you would download the example for the compiler that you're using and install it using the Package Manager, which is also another supporting software by MikroElektronika. Then, you would open your compiler and you would find your examples there. We wanted to simplify that process and develop Libstock Manager. You now need one click to install and one click to open the provided examples. We decided to bring Libstock closer to you, straight to your compiler. If you take a look at the Libstock Manager, you can now browse to see which clipboards are available, you will be able to see which clipboard examples you have installed, and you will always be up to date because you will get notification of the updated examples and the newcomers. Installing new libraries is easy. One click on the install button and you're done. And you can also buy the clipboards straight from the compiler. It will take you to a product page where you can read more about the product and finish your shopping. We have also redesigned Library Manager. It now has separate sections for microSDK libraries, system libraries, and additional libraries. And we have also added support for 189 new MCUs. We now support more than 800 MCUs in our PIC compilers. So go to our product page, download the new version, and enjoy the new features.